Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. I am so excited to finally do this video. I started this video in December. I actually started on my vlogging channel and I recorded a vlog where I go out in Stockholm and I go to thrift stores to find some really cool clothes that I am now finally going to do some changes to, pretty much. If you guys want to check out that video, just so you guys know, I have completely different hair and yeah, it was a long time ago. These are super easy things that everybody can do at home. I am not going to like get a sewing machine or anything like that. Like, who has the time? I do want to make one note. This is a note actually from my grandma. I was talking through with her and she kind of said that it might not be the best idea. I am going to use bleach in this video. I am going to bleach a few of my clothings. I just want to inform you guys that I'm not sure if this is a great way to like breathe in and handle and just use. It's maybe not the best for the environment. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the before and after, and let's go. Welcome to my bathroom. So I'm thinking that we are going to start off with this just black hoodie with a zipper from Weekday. And funny story, I actually, if I don't remember incorrectly, but I think that I got this from my ex because he wanted to bleach it for me. I'm not 100% sure. I have my spray bottle and I'm just gonna do some stuff. I'm not really sure. Try and not get as much on your hands as I am getting right now. Let's do a little bit like this. It is looking so cool already. I know it's a little bit dark here, but ooh, look at that. I think that will do. I'm just going to put this right in the corner here. We have this denim set that is a skirt and a jacket, and it has the same like print on the sides, as you guys can see here as well. For this one, I just remember I have such a cool idea, at least I think. I'm going to make a handprint on the butt. But first, let's just do a little bit of fun patterns. I'm gonna take a plastic glove like this. I'm just gonna spray my glove. Okay, let's try it. How cool! Ah, you guys can see, right? This next hoodie, I want to try and make some cool patterns with the help of some hair ties. And I'm going to just take here and turn it like this. You guys saw, I hope. And then I'm tying it so it holds the curl, I guess. And this, I think I'm gonna focus it on the boob area. You can't really see any difference, weirdly enough. It is the next day and let's do this. I thought we are going to start off with this beautiful skirt that I found at a thrift store. Can you believe it? I can barely believe that I actually found this for no money at all. You guys might see that this buckle is leather, and I guess it is real leather, but also this is like super old. I've seen that this is very worn out and it is secondhand, so I don't really see a huge problem with it. I am going to buckle this together, and then I'm thinking I will take a skirt that I know fits me perfectly and I will just cut it straight off. is this t-shirt that I actually got from the people that work with the Statement Festival. It is the first ever festival that is cis men free, so we don't have to be scared of being molested. Yeah, I love this t-shirt, but I think it's a little bit too basic, so I think I'm just going to cut it and make it really, really cool. And now I'm going to cut around the neckline, and I'm also going to make a V neck. This super cute dress that I got from You With Me is something that I would have hoped fit me better, but it is a little bit too short, unfortunately. But I'm thinking I'm going to cut it into a crop top. Cute, right? There we go. I think that will be cute. This Fred Perry piqué shirt dress in a extra large. I put it on yesterday. It looked so cute. I loved it so much. So actually I'm not going to do anything with this. This is just a really good thrift shop buy. This little doll scale top, I was thinking that we were going to make a little cut right here, just like that, and then I'm also going to make a little cut like that, and then I am going to knot this when I put it on. Great. Then we have these oversized jeans from Boohoo. First of all, I want to make a huge cutout where I have my knee. Where do I have my knee? Here somewhere. I am going to, what am I gonna use? You can use like a scissor, you can use a sandpaper. I am probably just going to use my scissor, and I'm just gonna hold it like this and go over the edges like this. Pull like this to create some distressed marks like this. So I think I'm going to leave them like this actually, and we shall see. Maybe this was a fail, but whatever. These jeans from Big Book, they are very similar to the other ones, but these actually fit me perfectly. I used to love these ones, but I'm like a really not a light jeans kind of girl. I pretty much only use black skinny jeans. Be sure to try out the clothes before you cut anything, so you know where to cut. I'm going to take this glue that is made for fabric, and I'm going to glue this on because I think it will be cute. That's how it looks. I want to do a cutout on the front part of the leg. I've seen a lot of pants like that, and I think it looks really nice. And then for our last thing that we are going to redo, these black pants. And I am going to paint a bunch. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, we have finally come to the end of the video, all of the results. You guys will see the before and the after. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it before you exit. And if you enjoy me, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, now let's do this.
Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like: jumping from a roof that is almost too high, laying on the grass, I close my eyes, playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high.